to a job well done, guys.
Yes,
Woo!
Yeah,
I
man.
complete my mission. First mission.
Well done, guys. Excellent piece of work and execution.
Boy, bossy. That one I did flawless, you know.
You know, any job we do, always flawless. You know, you're my number one, right? But Tonian, yo, I am so I am so proud of you.
Give me a color.
Strap your just pump.
Well, you guys didn't only have a great piece of work done, but you also made the news.
You lie.
Oh yeah. They don't know exactly who it is in terms of the squad, but they know definitely it was a job well done. But instead of me giving the report that I received, Bubbles, tell me this story of how it really did go.
Well, guess what? Me not gonna tell you the story. Them are gonna tell you the story. All me do is drop them off at the location, so all of the excitement go Tony and whisper.
Well, now, make me talk first. Me want to talk first. Let me through. So, here we go now. So, first, I choke out of the car. Whisper go that way there, and me go so. About 3 minutes take for me go through some bushes and some woolly ants bite me up for sure you. I reach which part the step then I crawl up like a spider woman. Spider woman? Or cat woman, any one of them. They must start look around the places. Bend down at the corner of the wall now. I see one man in the far distance. So I start creep up me and wonder what me gonna use to knock out that man here. So I walk, I see one big stone in front of me. So I pick up the stone. Take time pick up the stone. I reach near him. I go so up in my head.
Alright. You wanna relax. Tell the rest of the story.
Him knock out on the ground. I not even know if him done pee-pee. So I decide to go up by the canteen to save the girl them. But I realize say, whisper have the key. Then I see one man come round the corner. So I decide to move like I catch fits. Like I'm drunk! And the man believe it, you know, and carry me and throw me in there. I'm tell the girl I make pee and I'm tell them shh. I'm come to save them. The girl don't want left my junk too, or I'm sniff coke and something. Well, at this is my story finish. Make whisper tell the part of the story.
Well, mine is not so dramatic like Tony. Anyways, I say one of the security guard them, him have a limp and I see him pace back and forth at the back of the container. So me now take my time go up the hill, and as soon as him turning back to me, that's when me go over the hill where he's standing, and me just give him the sleeper hold, disarm him, then alert Tonian so she can move in and play fair part. Alright, so in order for me reach over the next side, based on where the security did I look, I would have to travel under the container, so him don't see me when me forward out. Alright, me reach to him, deal with him, disarm him, take the key from him, him are the one who did have the key. Then now, we get to the container, open it, and then Tony just come outside with all of them. I leave them with the same tracker me use come up. Bossy was waiting, we just load them up and we leave. That's basically my story.
You're boring. You could add a little flavor to it.